The reason I want to talk to you this morning is the calendar, the annual calendar. Stay with me the whole time because I'm going to tell you about those calendars. But we've been around since in this building since 1994. Speaking of 1994, here's some right before we moved to this building. Look at that, 1992. Look at this beautiful cover. This is 1993, I believe. I believe this is 93. Look at this beautiful calendar. Yep. Well, the calendars have done nothing. Dave Bash, come over here. Don't you walk away. You know how we are on Marathon Mondays. There is no such thing as rehearsed. Dave, I've got a mic right here. You can speak up. Tell us what you're working on this week. You're the busiest man in the building.
Well,
tell us what you're working on.
I got here this morning, found out tomorrow I'm leaving for Arizona.
You're going to Arizona.
Yeah.
And 1318 is down there.
Is that Calhoun?
Yep, 1318 is down there and on it, and I know you're delivering it also to Arizona in a couple of weeks. So,
is he going to be here this coming Monday?
Yep, they're going to spend some time with you on next week, and then the following week you're going to be delivering. I know that, so that's exciting. But so you're off to Arizona
Tomorrow morning.
Be safe, brother.
Thanks.
What are you doing for New Year's besides driving? Driving.
That's it.
Just be safe on the roads, man.
I will.
I wouldn't trust anyone else with the coach. I know you are.
Okay.
Safe driver, everybody. Thanks, Dave. The co-host of Marathon Mondays. He's off to another delivery down in Arizona. I want to show you the last decade of calendars. There's 2010. How about 11? You know what? 12 and 13 are missing in action. If you see them, please call me. 2014, 15, 2016. I love this. I love this, coach. Take a look at that. 2017, 2018, and of course our current year, which we're almost done with 1290, Coach 1290 on the cover, 2019. Why am I talking to you about that? Well, here is the new calendar, everybody. Proud to announce, here is the 2020 Marathon calendar with Coach 1308 on the cover. There it is. 1308 still for sale, bunk coach with a facing or a booth dinette in very modern interior and exterior colors. This is a beautiful calendar. I'm proud to show it off, but I'm only going to show you a little bit because I want you to reach out to me. Here's the deal. The first 20 emails I get to malw@marathoncoach.com. Now don't jump on right now because you got to answer me a question. What would you like to see in a marathon coach? That is what you need to answer. When you email me, I want to hear from each of you, whether you are an owner, you want to be an owner, you previously were an owner of a marathon coach. Email me, malw@marathoncoach.com. If you're the first 20, I'll send you a calendar. Reach out to me, but you have to answer that question, you guys. You have to let me know, what do you want to see in a marathon coach? Make it realistic. We don't want to see Don Knotts running around shooting a new film. Other than that, I hope you have a good New Year's. I'm really happy about the calendar. I'm also excited about the vintage ones. I love the vintage calendars, you guys. Look at this. Look at this family with a matching golf cart. Look at those pants. Can't get away from those pants. 1993 never looked so good. Be yourself and do good things. malw@marathoncoach.com. If you're in the market to buy a coach, pre-owned or new, reach out to me. Take care, everybody. Marathon calendar. Back to you. This is a little 3-minute extra for you YouTubers out there. We just got done shooting today's Marathon Mondays episode with the calendars. Don't forget to email me, malw@marathoncoach.com. Let's get those emails coming in. Tell me in that email what you want to see in a marathon coach. I'll send you a calendar. Let's walk through upholstery here. One of the spots where we don't get to see very often is the upholstery.
Al.
Hey Al, how are you?
Good.
Coming through the upholstery department, we're going to go to the back side. You can also peek right there into the design suite. Probably seen that before on the Marathon Monday show. But very typical of a Monday, there's a lot of activity here at Marathon. So we're gonna come over here and head on out into this hallway. It's one of the cool things about this building, built in 1994 and designed by our engineering team. There's so many nooks and crannies. There's so many hallways that go different ways. But I'm gonna show you this, the lounge area right over service. This is an area where you can hang out while your coach is getting worked on. So just wanted to do a little extra for you YouTubers and show you a little extra area and say thank you to all the people that have gone and liked Marathon's Facebook page, Marathon's YouTube page, and any other social media that we do. We really enjoy bringing it to you, and I enjoy showing you behind the scenes content at Marathon every single week. So that being said, thanks again. Email me, malw@marathoncoach.com. If you're looking to get into a marathon, reach out to me and let's get you on down the road. Take care.